Good morning, students. Welcome to this BCA course, and I am teaching you fundamental of digital computers. Let's start this course. It is offered by the School of Computing Science and Engineering of Galgotias University. The course code is BCAC 1102, and now every course have its outcome. Now here also in this course there are 6 outcomes, and these outcomes are based on the units it will cover. So in syllabus there are 6 units, so there are 6 outcomes. These outcomes are: the first one, it develop an understanding of the number system. Then the second outcome is develop an understanding of logic gates and solve K-map problems. The third outcome is understand the logics of adder, multiplexer and encoder decoder. Then you will also learn about the flip-flops and application of flip-flops. Then you will able to understand registers and memory classifications. And lastly, you will understand the latest advances and its application in digital computers. The course objective is, the purpose of this course is to provide fundamentals of digital computers, and the main goal of the course is to introduce students to the number system, its conversion from one base to another, to solve equation using Karnaugh map and tabulation method, then design circuits for binary adder, code converter, multiplexer, arithmetic circuits and accumulator. So these are the objectives of the course. Now here comes your syllabus of this course. As I told you, there are 6 units in this course, and unit 1 is introduction. It is supposed to be covered in 7 hours. In this unit, you will know about computer input units, its output unit, number system you will get to know, and if there are different number system, decimal, binary, octal, hexadecimal, and converting from one number system to other number system. Then you will also know about its complement of a number, nines and tens complement, 1 and 2's complement, and also about some binary operations. Unit 2 is about logic gates and Boolean algebra, and you must have studied the gates in your CBSE course. So here also you will learn about basic gates and or not gates, and then some other gates, NAND, NOR, XOR, XOR, then Karnaugh map. Then in unit 3 you will learn about combinational circuit, adder, subtractor, multi-level NAND and NOR circuits, binary parallel adder, decimal adder, then multiplexer, demultiplexer. All this you will get to know in unit 3. In unit 4 you will learn about sequential circuit and flip-flops, latches, then different types of flip-flop, SR flip-flop, D flip-flop, JK flip-flop, and master slave. These are the course matter of unit 4. In unit 5 you will learn about registers and counters, how to design counters, then shift registers, ripple counters, and memory devices, different types of memory, hierarchy of memory, RAM, ROM, PLA. All this you will know in unit 5. Then unit 6 is understanding the latest advances and its application in digital computer. What new is going on in this course. So you will learn about that. So the advances and the latest trends in the course, as well as the latest application of the areas covered in the course with the latest research. We will also discuss some latest papers published in IEEE transactions and ACM transactions, as well as Web of Science and Scopus Index journals. You will also know about impact factors. What are the impact factors? So, the recommended textbook is by Maurice Mano. The title is Digital Logic and Computer Design. Edition may vary. And another book for reference is by Malvino and Leach. It is Digital Principles and Applications. So any book will work, but most preferably this Mano is a good book. You should study this. Now let us come to the course topic. First, about computers. What is computer? You can say that it's an electronic device that is used for information processing. Computer is a Latin word and it came from, which means compute or calculation machine. But a computer system also includes, apart from computer, some peripheral devices and softwares. So all this, by combining, it is known as computer system. Now, computer system or computer accepts input, it processes data, stores data and produces output. What is input? Input refers to whatever is sent to a computer system. And data refers to the symbols that represent facts, objects and ideas. Processing is the way that a computer manipulates data, and a computer processes data in a device called CPU or Central Processing Unit. So these are the references from where you can, as I told you, this is a textbook from Maurice Mano, and something has also been taken from slideshare.net. So, thank you for watching this video, and you can ask any question if you have any doubt, and you can ask. Thank you. No question.